The S&P 500 ended lower on Wednesday, pulled down by declines in JP Morgan, Blackstone and other financials, while Nvidia and Alphabet lifted the Nasdaq as investors shifted to AI-related stocks. The drop in the S&P 500 followed an intraday record high earlier in the session. Nvidia, Microsoft and Alphabet rose as investors shifted back into AI stocks following recent worries they were overvalued. The S&P 500 lost 23.89 points to end at 6,920.93 points, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 37.102 points to 23,584.28. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 466 points to 48,996.08.
For today, as you know, we have obviously a mixed market, but a lot of it is just still digesting some of what's gone over the last few days. We've had a pretty strong start to the year in 2026. Some of the things that had kind of fallen by the backside a little bit towards the end of the year surged early to start this year. We've had a lot of kind of give and take. Start of a new year, start of a new month even can be a lot of just people repositioning, whether it's new money coming in that they're investing or just rebalancing. So we try not to read too much into it. I think the big picture here is we're off to a very strong start, but it's following a very strong couple of years. And, you know, we've seen an increase in volatility. For example, last year we had a pretty big pullback early in the year. We expect that to kind of continue this year as well. It's year two of an election cycle and so forth. So I think people are still trying to figure out, you know, how do they want to be positioned? What are the things that they don't own that they'd like to own? You're just going to see a lot of, I think, give and take in terms of leadership and maybe a little bit of a pause, you know, after the strong start. That wouldn't surprise us at all.